guys, I'm Iris, and today we are grilling paneer kebabs. What's paneer, you may ask? It's cheese. I love grilling these because they keep their shape and they stay packed full of flavor. Let's get started on the marinade. So juicy. So we're just gonna give this a nice mix, and look at all those beautiful colors. This is just going to give such a beautiful balanced flavor. This is gonna be a great marinade. So here we have our block of paneer cheese, which we are just going to slice up in cubes. Remember, we were gonna pop these on kebabs, so we have to make sure that they're bite-sized, but that they're also gonna stay on the skewer. We can add them straight into our marinade. Size just about like this is going to be the perfect size for your skewers. Just chop it like that, and you've got kind of your slices already. Great. So after you have your marinade, you can just set it aside for 30 minutes. The seasoning spice. To a small bowl, we're just going to add some paprika, cayenne pepper, cumin, and kosher salt. But I love this baby whisk. And that's ready to go. That's really good. So this is gonna be even better once it's on the grill, but already all of the flavors from the marinade are melding beautifully with the crisp crunchiness of these bell peppers. I love the red ones, they're so sweet. Look at her. Not too much salt, so you can be very generous. Don't forget to give it a little twist. Amazing, so gourmet, so easy. All right, guys, so ready to taste. So beautiful. All the flavors are so well paired. It's smoky, a little bit spicy, not too hot, but like just that good Mediterranean spice. Crunchy. The tanginess and the freshness from the herbs and the lemon and the yogurt. So great. These were grilled paneer kebabs. This was so good, and this was Bussin Eats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.